Hi guys, it's Mika again. Today we're going to take a closer look at the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So I got to test out HUAWEI's latest flagship smartphone, and the camera really stood out. From its 50 megapixel 1-inch sensor with a variable aperture to its solid telephoto performance. Compared to the iPhone 17 Pro, which has a fixed aperture and a smaller sensor size, the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro has a hardware advantage. This gives it an edge in low-light photography, plus versatility with its 100 times digital zoom and macro capability. But beyond the flagship specs, it's a kind of flagship device that you can rely on for the long run, with HUAWEI Premium Services adding that extra layer of peace of mind. Let's check it out. When you get the HUAWEI Pura 80 series, it already comes with 1 year of free HUAWEI Care Plus. HUAWEI devices are durable, but of course it's still nice to know that there's an additional layer of protection. Because accidents happen. We've dropped our phones before, or maybe even gone for a swim while them still in our pockets. Good thing HUAWEI's got you covered with one-time free accidental damage protection within the first year. It covers repairs for the main board, covers, screen, water damage, and even camera failure. The best part? HUAWEI offers free pickup and delivery for repairs within the warranty period. Battery degradation is another concern over time, but you also get free battery replacement within 1 year if battery health falls below 85% during that period. Splurging on a flagship device isn't a small expense, so it's nice to know that it can survive occasional clumsy moments. Additionally, HUAWEI gives Pura 80 series owners access to priority maintenance service for faster turnaround. Lastly, there's the APAC region warranty for cross-border service support. As someone who shoots and edits a lot of content on my phone, having that added coverage gives me extra confidence in daily use. With the holidays fast approaching, HUAWEI is rolling out its HUAWEI Service Giving Season from October 10 to December 31. Are you experiencing software issues, dusty ports, and speakers? Well, you're in luck because during this period, customers can enjoy free labor even for out-of-warranty repairs, discounted accessories, and even free gifts. These are added perks that come in handy if unexpected issues pop up during the holidays. Overall, users can save up to 34,000 pesos in maintenance and repair costs with this offering. To wrap it up, the HUAWEI Pura 80 series isn't just about flagship performance. It's also about the premium care services that comes with it. This is HUAWEI's way of ensuring that customers get that worry-free and premium experience long after purchasing the device. That makes it a solid investment. You can drop by the HUAWEI Service Center, send a DM on Messenger, or give the 24/7 hotline a quick call if you want to know more. Once again, this is Mika. Hope you guys found this insightful. See you guys in the next video.